Hey guys, we have here our JBL Live 400 BT Bluetooth headphones, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the ear pads on one of these headphones. So the only thing that we really need is like a sharp object, like a prying tool. For example, here I'm using the nail file from my pocket knife, and we're just going to go right between the ear pad and that plastic of the ear cup, and we're just going to pry the complete ear pad loose. And you see here that this ear pad has this plastic ring inside with these four cutouts, and so now we're going to take that off, and then the new ear pad should have also this plastic ring in the back, and then we're going to align this with the ear cup, so with those plastic tabs that you see on the ear cup. So those plastic tabs should go into those cutouts on the ear pad, and we're just going to firmly press the ear pad against the ear cup, and then the ear pad should be clicking into position, and that's pretty much it. So now in case you have a set of new ear pads that don't have this plastic ring in the back, for example this one, then we can still make this work as long as the size of the new ear pad is the same or similar. So in that case, we're just going to take off the plastic ring that's in the back of that old ear pad, and then we're going to take this and we're going to kind of just move the new ear pad here over this plastic ring. See how this fits right in there. So we're going to pull this in there all the way, and now we can take this ear pad, and if you have some glue, then you can also glue the new ear pad here to the plastic ring on the outside, but you don't really have to, as long as it fits well. And then we're going to put the plastic ring on top of the ear cup again, so that we're lining them up with the cutouts and the clips, and then we're pressing it on, and that works just as well, and the ear pads are not coming off. Okay, so that was it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.